के 8वें अध्याय में भगवान कृष्ण अर्जुन के माध्यम से हमारा जीवन और मरण कैसे दिव्य हों बताते हैं। जीवन सफल और सार्थक हो और मरण ऐसे हो ताकि पुनर्जन्म ना हो। उसके लिए पहले हमें ये जानना है कि जीवन क्या है। जीवन और लाइफ इज ए शटल बिटवीन मैनिफेस्टेड संसार एंड अनमैनिफेस्टेड Paramatma. Death is not the end. It is a pause in unmanifested condition that comes in between two successive manifested existences in different embodiments. यानी दो जन्मों के बीच का अंतराल, ये डेथ है। तो जीवन दिव्य कैसे हो? By single pointed devotion, associating with real, permanent, eternal essence. जिसे अक्षर भी कहते हैं, a sense of all existences, dissociating from body, mind, intellect, which is temporary, perishable और अक्षर बोलते हैं. It should be a supreme goal all through the day, not like spray of insecticides now and then. Anyone living today is a product of numerous yesterdays, that is past lives. Therefore, think positive, feel good, act pious. This leads to Vasana purgation. As you think, so you are. Good thoughts multiply good thoughts, just as frog breeds frog. These thoughts, impressions on mind known as Vasana, make our life either smooth or rough, according to the texture and quality of thoughts manifested as words and actions. Therefore, divinize our daily life to achieve higher supreme goal, that is moksha, that is no more births. If our daily life is divinized, our last day, that is death, is also going to be divinized, that is who has detached himself from body, mind, intellect equipment, chant Om with calm mind, shutting sense organs, withdrawing all the pranas into intellect, which leads to ego sublimation. That is a chemical process in which solid turns into gas without becoming liquid, and ego turns into culturally higher activity. This is a true death. Such a man of constant awareness of the self acts in the world with selflessness, love and kindness. And what is self? Self is omniscient, Sarvagya, ancient, Sanatan, overruler, minuter than atom, subtlest of subtle, nourisher of all, inconceivable, luminous like sun, beyond all traces of ignorance, that is avidya. And Brahm is imperishable, changeless, a sense behind the world, Akshar, becomes the self, the conscious principle, Chetan Tattva, which illumines the body, mind, intellect during all pilgrimages from birth to death. धन्यवाद। डॉक्टर सुविक्रम ज्योति, आई सर्जन, पंचकुला।